Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are all very well. Today we will talk about Rangpur city. So without further ado, let's get started. Rangpur district, a historical and cultural overview. Historical background: ancient and medieval periods. Rangpur, located in the northwestern part of Bangladesh, has a rich and varied history dating back to ancient times. The region was once part of the ancient kingdom of Punjravardhana, an important center of civilization during the Mauryan and Gupta periods. Archaeological findings, such as terracotta artifacts and inscriptions, suggest that Rangpur was a thriving region with advanced societal structures. During the medieval period, Rangpur fell under the rule of the Pala and Sena dynasties. The Palas were known for their Buddhist patronage, which influenced the cultural and religious landscape of the region. Later, the Senyas, who were Hindus, contributed to the architectural heritage with the construction of temples and other structures. Mughal period: the Mughal Empire integrated Rangpur into its vast territories in the 16th century. Under Mughal rule, Rangpur became an administrative unit called a Sarkar. The Mughal period brought about significant developments in agriculture, trade, and infrastructure. The construction of roads, mosques, and forts during this time laid the foundation for Rangpur's future growth. British colonial period: the British East India Company took control of Bengal, including Rangpur, in the late 18th century. The region was then included in the Bengal Presidency. The British administration established Rangpur as a district in 1772. During the colonial period, Rangpur saw significant administrative, educational, and infrastructural developments. The introduction of the zamindari system and subsequent peasant uprisings, such as the Indigo Revolt and the Rangpur Peasant Revolt, were notable events of this era. Post-independence period: after the partition of India in 1947, Rangpur became part of East Pakistan. The region played a significant role in the language movement of 1952 and the Liberation War of 1971. After Bangladesh achieved independence, Rangpur continued to develop as an important district, with improvements in infrastructure, education, and industry. Traditions and culture: Rangpur's culture is a rich tapestry woven with the threads of its diverse historical influences, from ancient Hindu and Buddhist practices to Islamic traditions and British colonial impacts. This blend is evident in the region's festivals, cuisine, music, and crafts. Festivals: Rangpur celebrates a variety of festivals that reflect its multicultural heritage. Religious festivals such as Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha, Durga Puja, and Christmas are celebrated with great enthusiasm. Additionally, traditional Bengali festivals like Poila Baishakh, Bengali New Year, and Nabana, Harvest Festival, are integral to the cultural life of Rangpur. Cuisine: Rangpur's cuisine is characterized by its use of local ingredients, especially fish, rice, and vegetables. Traditional dishes include pantabat, fermented rice, various preparations of fish like hilsa, and a variety of pithas, rice cakes. The region is also known for its sweets, particularly rush malai and cham cham. Music and dance: folk music, including baul and bawaya, plays a significant role in Rangpur's cultural identity. These musical traditions, with their deep philosophical lyrics and simple tunes, are often performed at local festivals and cultural events. Traditional dances like the Yari, Sari, and Ladi Kila are also popular in Rangpur. Crafts: Rangpur has a rich tradition of handicrafts, including pottery, weaving, and woodwork. The region is particularly famous for its terracotta works, which are used to create a variety of decorative items. Weaving, especially the production of traditional saris, is another important craft in the region. Places of interest: Rangpur is home to numerous historical, cultural, and natural attractions that draw visitors from across the country and beyond. Some of the most notable places of interest include Tajhat Palace. Tajhat Palace is a magnificent historical structure located on the outskirts of Rangpur city. Built in the early 20th century by Maharaja Kumar Gopal Lal Roy, the palace is an architectural marvel with its stunning white marble steps and grand facade. It now houses a museum that showcases a rich collection of artifacts, including ancient manuscripts, sculptures, and coins. Rangpur Carmichael College. Founded in 1916, Carmichael College is one of the oldest and most prestigious educational institutions in Bangladesh. The college's sprawling campus, with its colonial-era buildings and lush gardens, is a significant historical and architectural landmark in Rangpur. Begum Rokeya Memorial Center. Begum Rokeya Sahawat Hossain, a pioneering figure in women's education and rights in South Asia, was born in the village of Paraband in Rangpur. The Begum Rokeya Memorial Center, located in her birthplace, commemorates her life and contributions. The center includes a museum and a library dedicated to her works in the history of women's rights in the region. Kantaji Temple. Located in Dinajpur, near Rangpur, the Kantaji Temple, also known as Kantanagar Temple, is an exquisite example of late medieval Hindu architecture. Built in the 18th century by Maharaja Pran Nath, the temple is renowned for its intricate terracotta reliefs depicting scenes from Hindu mythology. The annual Rash Mela festival, held here, attracts thousands of devotees and tourists. Ramsar National Park. Ramsar National Park, located in the Dinajpur district near Rangpur, is centered around the Ramsar Lake, the largest man-made lake in Bangladesh. The park is a popular spot for picnics, boating, and birdwatching, offering a serene natural retreat. Vinod Jagat is an amusement park and cultural complex located in Rangpur. It features various recreational facilities, including a boating lake, children's playgrounds, and cultural exhibitions. The park is a popular destination for families and provides a glimpse into the region's cultural heritage through its displays and activities. Chikli Waterfall, located in the nearby hills, is a natural attraction that draws visitors for its scenic beauty and tranquil environment. The waterfall is a popular spot for picnics and hiking, offering a refreshing escape into nature. Mithapukar Zamindar Bari. The Mithapukar Zamindar Bari is an old mansion that belonged to the Zamindars, landlords, of Mithapukar in Rangpur. The mansion is an architectural gem, showcasing the opulence and grandeur of the Zamindar era. It provides a historical insight into the lifestyle of the Bengali aristocracy during the colonial period. Rangpur Town Hall, built during the British colonial period, is an important historical and cultural landmark. It has been the center of many significant political and social events in the region's history. The building itself is an architectural beauty, with its classic colonial design. Diawan Bari Jamidar Bari. Another historical Zamindar mansion, the Diawan Bari Jamidar Bari, is located in the Pirgacha Upazila of Rangpur. The mansion, with its intricate design and historical significance, is a testament to the region's rich Zamindari heritage. Bhingar, located in the Takorgan district near Rangpur, is an archaeological site believed to date back to the Gupta period. The site includes ancient fortifications and other structures, offering a glimpse into the region's early historical significance. Teesta Barrage. The Teesta Barrage, the largest irrigation project in Bangladesh, is an engineering marvel situated near Rangpur. The barrage controls the flow of the Teesta River, providing irrigation to vast agricultural lands. It is a popular spot for tourists due to its scenic beauty and importance in the region's agriculture. Pirgacha Heritage Museum. The Pirgacha Heritage Museum is dedicated to preserving the cultural and historical heritage of Rangpur. It houses a collection of artifacts, documents, and photographs that provide an in-depth look at the region's history and traditions. The Rangpur Zoo, located in the heart of Rangpur city, is home to a variety of animal species. It is a popular recreational spot for families and offers educational opportunities for children about wildlife conservation. Conclusion. Rangpur district, with its rich history, vibrant culture, and numerous places of interest, is a fascinating destination in Bangladesh. From ancient archaeological sites and colonial-era buildings to beautiful natural landscapes and cultural landmarks, Rangpur offers a diverse array of attractions. The district's historical significance, reflected in its architecture and cultural traditions, along with its natural beauty, makes Rangpur a unique and captivating part of Bangladesh. The preservation of its historical sites, the celebration of its cultural festivals, and the development of its tourist infrastructure are essential for promoting Rangpur as a significant cultural and historical destination. As Rangpur continues to develop, it remains a testament to the rich cultural tapestry and historical depth of Bangladesh. Today's video so far. In the next video you want to know about any place in Bangladesh, please comment and subscribe our channel to get such informative videos, and those who are watching from Facebook page must follow the page.